Oh, it has to be 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, my daughter got this for Christmas. It's pretty cool. And you have to, I guess, be an archaeologist because they make you dig for your rocks that are in this box, which is pretty cool, actually. We're outside, and she's already found 2 of them. So here's one. And here's the other. So it's quite the job. So if you were an archaeologist,
There's one.
you would be out in a country on your knees trying to find some pretty cool rocks and minerals. And what would be even more cool if you found some meteorites
Pretty sure
that
that's a
maybe
geologist.
fell from the sky or from another planet. So it's pretty cool. It's a
Well,
little
that's something
windy.
right there.
Oh wow, that's a big one. But she's having to dig for it, which would be cool present for kids. She got this as a Christmas present today. And we're going to post this on our channel to show you what a cool gift this is. Oh, that's pretty. Which one is that? It's even got a little brush where you can clean off all the dirt. Guys, this is a great kit. We actually got it at Costco. Which one is that?
I think it's lapis.
It's really pretty.
It says it on the back what you get in there.
Here, let me tell you what. Let's see. This is the box. It comes like this. And as you can see, it's pretty deep inside because it comes with books. It comes with a big map over there. And
it comes with stickers.
it comes with stickers and all these rocks. So far we have found the jasper,
The howlet,
the howlet,
and the soda.
the sodalite. So we will show them to you as she carves them out. Pretty cool though.
I think the hard part is trying to figure out where another one will be.
Yeah, and plus you don't want to crack it. Although I don't know. I mean, can you crack
Kind
a
of
rock?
hard to break.
Yeah.
Crystals. So.
What is considered a mineral?
You know, like rocks and. This bag has a hole in it. They gave me a bag with a hole in it.
Okay, minerals are copper, lead, mercury, tin, zinc, iron, magnesium, nickel, bauxite, gold, silver, uranium, and diamond. But I don't believe they put any minerals in here. They didn't. But it's still pretty cool. This is really a cool kit, guys.
It just got to the whole bottom of that one.
Uh-oh.
Gotta make sure there's no crystals hidden in this. I think it would be pretty easy for them to hide, huh?
Yep, don't worry. See, the sun's going to come out. It was raining. We're here in Florida, so it's a pretty nice day today. It's got a nice breeze. It's not hot. I'm going to say it's high 60s maybe. Can't believe there's 14 rocks in there and you've only got 3.
Might not have all of them. It
Oh,
might
really?
be like, these are the ones you might get in here, you know?
Oh, it's only 4.
Oh. So there's another one hidden in here somewhere and I have all this to look?
The mineral block contains a random assortment of 4 stones.
Oh no.
That
I've already found 3, which means the last one is hidden anywhere in here.
Yeah.
And I have no clue.
Well,
I think it's a clear quartz.
is it?
Yeah, it is. Wait, no, or is this the rose? I can't tell if that's clear or pink.
I think it's clear.
Yeah, that's clear. That's pretty. Where's the brush? It's pretty. You done?
It's got a map that comes with it, so we'll look at that.
That's it.
Let's hope there's no more in there. I would think they wouldn't freak you out.
I have stuff all over my hands now.
Okay, I'll look at the map. I
Alright.
tell you what, we're going to. So this is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see them. I'm going to put them on top of the box. As you can see, this is that one. Here's the clear quartz. And here's the jasper. What'll be cool is if we can get all 14 of these, because we do collect rocks, so it'd be really cool to get all of them. Because we do have an amethyst, we have obsidian, I believe we have tiger's eye. She was really looking forward to rose quartz. So we will continue to look for these rocks. Okay, it also comes with this map, which is pretty cool, that you can probably maybe frame and hang on your wall. It's pretty big. Wow, that is big. Let me step back. I don't know. Sun's coming out right now, so I don't even know if you can see it. But yes, look at that. This is a really nice kit, everyone. So it's called The Wonders of Learning, Discover Rocks and Minerals Educational Box Set. It is a great Christmas present for any kid who wants to get into rocks. But look at all these gorgeous colors. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. What a great map of rocks. Is it on both sides?
No. Just one.
Nice.
I think it's that way if you do hang it up on a wall,
Ah,
then you're not covering up anything.
we should mat that. It's really
We
pretty. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.